Here's how to start a group text on your iPhone. First, open the Messages app. At the top right, you'll see a pencil and paper icon. Tap on that to begin a new message. To create a group, start typing in the names of the people you want to include. For example, I'll type in Aaron, Tyler, BJ, and Dad. Once you've added all the names, you can type your message, like "Hi," to start the conversation. Now, at the top, you'll see the group's names. Tap on it to customize the group. You can choose change name and photo, then name the group. I'll name this one Family. You can also add a photo for the group chat by selecting an image or emoji to make it more personalized. Once you're done, tap Done to save the name and photo. You'll now see the group chat at the top with the names and the number of people in the chat. In the group, you can send messages, choose to leave the conversation, or even hide alerts if you don't want notifications. You can also share your location or customize other settings based on your preferences. I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit that subscribe button, it really helps. Thanks for watching.